ng National Bureau of Investigation sinampahan po ng kaso sina Attorney Lambino at dating National Youth Commission Chairman Ronald Cardema dahil po yan sa umano'y pagpapakalat ng fake news. Makibalita ho tayo sa linya ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Nagsampa ng kaso ang National Bureau of Investigation laban kina Attorney Raul Lambino at dating National Youth Commission Chairman Ronald Gian Cardema dahil sa umunoy pagpapakalat ng fake news. Nakasaad sa inihaing reklamo ngayong araw ang kanilang paglabag umano sa batas, partikular sa Article 154 of Republic Act No. 3815 of the Revised Penal Code o mas kilala bilang Unlawful Use of Means of Publication and Unlawful Utterances, kung saan isinumite ang naturang kaso sa tanggapan ng Prosecutor General ng Department of Justice sa lungsod ng Maynila. Ayon kay Agent Alain Ray G. Delfin ng National Bureau of Investigation Technical Intelligence Service Division, ang reklamong ito ay may kaugnayan sa mensaheng binitawan ni Attorney Lambino at Cardema noong naaresto si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
We filed cases against Lambino and Mr. Cardema for violation of Article 154 ng Revised Penal Code. Ito yung tinatawag natin yung unlawful use of means of publication or unlawful utterances. Based on our investigation kasi, nag-conduct tayo ng cyber patrolling, cyber surveillance. We came across with these videos sa Facebook, lalo-lalo na yung sa Attorney Raul Lambino sa kanyang Facebook Live, where he uttered words that the Supreme Court has already issued a temporary restraining orders.
Paliwanag pa niya, ang pagpapakalat umano ng fake news na nag-issue ng temporary restraining order ang Korte Suprema ay makapanggugulo lamang, lalo na sa mga panahong inaaresto ang dating Pangulo. Aniya, nakakasagabal din raw ang mga ganitong uri ng pahayag pati sa implementasyon at sinasagawang operasyon ng mga otoridad.
Any interjection of such false news would probably create confusion to the mind of public, which would probably endanger the public order at that time, as well as it will also discredit the agents of the state, the authority of the agents of the state in performing their duty, implementing the warrant of arrest, while in fact there's no temporary restraining order issued by the court yet.
Samantala, sa parte naman ni former National Youth Commission Chairman Ronald Cardema, sinampahan rin ito ng reklamo sapagkat natuklasan na ito'y nagpakalat rin umano ng maling impormasyon, hindi man direkta sa kanyang social media account, kundi sa isang pampublikong panayam naman.
On the part naman of Mr. Cardema, although the difference between the two is that Attorney Lambino published that statement through his Facebook page, while Mr. Cardema naman was interviewed. At this time naman, it was not published by Facebook page of, but he uttered the words or statements that the Supreme Court has already issued a temporary restraining order, which again, when assumed correct by public, will tend to arouse ng hindi magandang sa ating public.
Para sa Bombo Network News, Bombo Grant Hilario, nag-uulat para sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines, Basta Radio. Bombo!